Hello and welcome back to the course. So in this video you are going to learn about the designing pages where your whole goal is to get a lead. Now this isn't a page that I made. This is actually a template that you can find inside of ClickFunnels. It's this one right here. And all of the templates are good inside of ClickFunnels aside from long form sales pages. So the thing about pages where your whole goal is to collect a lead is that you don't want too much to be going on inside of the page. All you want to be going on is they need to know exactly what is being given away on this page. They need to know that it's free, and they need to know that all that is required of them is their email. I wouldn't even put the name here because you don't need it. It decreases conversion rates in my experience, and you literally don't need their name. Like, for what? So I normally don't put this. All you need is their email to send them emails, and they need to know exactly like what result they're going to get from it. In my personal experience, a lot of times just this, like if the page were just this would do the best. I've only had one case scenario where I needed to put something else here. But in my case, it wasn't something where, like on this page, they're explaining, oh, what's included in here. For me, it was I needed to overcome an objection. People didn't think that they needed the ebook that I was giving away because they were like, oh, I'm too advanced for that. So I needed to let them know, oh, this will help you even if you are advanced. And the second that I put that there, like, oh, if you're a beginner, if you're intermediate, or if you're advanced, this is going to be perfect for you. The second I put that there, I started getting like a 20% increase in opt-in rates, in my conversion rates. So that is the only case I would say you actually put more copy there. But 9 times out of 10, this is enough. Even this, like, I would put that, like, the word free needs to be on here, is probably something else that needs to be considered. And right here they have a testimonial. I noticed that with a lot of the templates, there's a lot of testimonials, and even the stuff that they make, there's always like testimonials and stuff for what they have being given away. Personally, I haven't even tried, so I can't necessarily say whether or not it helps or not, but I don't see it being, I don't see it being too bad to try at least. So maybe give this a try, but like I said, a lot of times I've had just this work out for me, even sometimes less. Like sometimes it'll just be a picture of what they're getting, and it'll say get your free ebook, and then it'll just have the email and the button. Like no copy, no nothing. Just get your free ebook, put your email below, and that's it. And then I've had 100% conversion rates on certain things when it was just that. So, and if you're curious how many people hit the page, it was about 8,000. Yes, there was other stuff going on, but the simple fact that that was all that was on the page, and that's the conversion rate that it got, it makes it a pretty big deal. So definitely play around with that. But when you're thinking about lead magnet sales pages, lead magnet pages, simple is best, less is more. Keep that in mind whenever you're making pages for something like this. All right, see you in the next video.